The difference between deviance and crime: deviance is the violation of social norms. Um, it could be classified as maybe immoral, abnormal, in the line with the greed culture. Um, it kind of varies between societal groups in the sense that most societies have their own variation and forms of it, what is acceptable and what is not acceptable. An example of deviant would be walking around naked. Um, it could also be like cross dressing. Um, in some African countries, it may find it acceptable and they may actually mutilate female genitals. That's acceptable, but in America, it is not acceptable. Crime, for instance, an example of that would be, or not an example, but the kind of the definition of how that's different than deviance is that it's basically an act of a contravening states that are enacted by legislation. Society governs laws and is documented by those. Some examples of that could include murder, rape, trespassing, theft, um, but there is a kind of a fine line between the two. Uh, but crime can also, again, vary as far as what is a crime, what is not a crime. Especially when I was in Korea, the laws there are completely different than the laws here. For instance, trespassing, they view that completely different than trespassing here. Um, there is multiple different forms of it, kind of how it is here, but the degree of the actual crime is different. Yeah, thank you.